Swaraj, the first conquest, conquering Kundana. As you know, some people are always jealous when someone else does well. So, they were very angry that Shivaji was doing so well and wanted to put a stop to it. So, they went and complained about Shivaji to Adil Shah's officer. This officer was a collector at a place called Shirvar, which is close to Pune. The collector sent a message to Adil Shah. Adil Shah just couldn't believe it. A 17-year-old kid was fighting against the mighty power of Adil Shah. If you remember, Shivaji's father Shahaji was a Sardar at Adil Shah's court. So obviously, Adil Shah called on Shahaji and asked him to explain the actions of Shivaji. Shahaji gave a very good answer. He told Adil Shah that Shivaji must have done that to look after the Jagir better. He told Adil Shah that he was sure that Shivaji did not mean any harm. Shivaji sent a similar letter to the Adil Shah too. The Sultan sent letters of threat to Shivaji and his followers, but all of them just ignored it. They paid no attention at all and just went on working for Swaraj. Shivaji took a decision to capture the fort of Kundana. The story of how Shivaji won over the fort of Kundana is very interesting. Shivaji gave the task of capturing Kundana to Bapuji Mudgal Deshpande. Bapuji just spoke to the Killedar of the fort and offered him a deal. The Killedar handed it over without any fight. This was too much for Adil Shah. He imprisoned Shivaji's father Shahaji. He also sent a large army to attack Shivaji and his Swarajya. It was a difficult time. It was almost as if Adil Shah had asked Shivaji a question. Do you want your father or do you want Swaraj? Shivaji decided to fight and at the same time made a clever plan. He let the Adil Shah know that he was planning to ask the Mughal emperor in Delhi for help so that Shahaji would be freed. Now, Adil Shah was in a fix. If he didn't release Shahaji, he would be fighting against the strong Mughal emperor. So, Adil Shah made a deal with Shivaji. Adil Shah would release Shahaji and Shivaji would return Kundana. Shivaji agreed too. So, that fight was settled. This was in 1649. About 7 years later, in 1656, Shivaji recaptured it again, and even this time without war. Bapuji Mudgal Deshpande was in charge of that campaign too. He just gave the Killedar some tax-free land in Shivapur village and the Killedar gave up the fort. Shivaji Maharaj was so impressed with Bapuji's intelligence that he gave him a huge reward and made him the Karkhanis of the fort. Kundana Fort is now known by the name Sinhagad Fort.